Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCL Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Starknet. This is the Starknet Airdrop Strategy to make 10 transactions per $2 or less. So like always in my videos, I'm going to go step by step on how to do each of these things. You are going to see exactly what to do and how to do it in this step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, remember to check my subscriptions. I have a private Discord and I have a web app that will help you to organize and apply to airdrops super easily. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, we have some news about the Starknet token. There was some confirmation from starkware that the launch of the Starknet token will not be until the next year. For some people this could be bad news. I think it's a great news because it means that you still have time to apply to this possible airdrop. So I will put the link of this article in the description, but I think you are at the right time, at the right moment to do this airdrop right now. So doing the steps that I'm going to show you in this video are going to help you a lot to do that airdrop. So let's go directly to each of those steps. So the first point, guys, is go to StarkVerse Labs. We are going to connect our wallet and mint an NFT. The fee is around 15 cents. So here I put in all the steps the Twitter of the project. So we go to that URL and from there you click on StarkVerse Art. So this is the website of the page. And here I am already connected, but basically you will be able to connect the wallet to Bravos or ArgentX, so connect to any of those two. And of course you need to send funds to that wallet. You can do it applying into the official bridge of Starknet. So if you didn't do that and you don't know how to do that, you need to go to my website, search for Starknet, and you will get the first videos on how to do that. But if you already have experience working on this protocol, then if you have found Ethereum there, you will be able to mint this, paying that small fee. So once you are here, you just click the Genesis Gallery Mint. You will need to pay the transaction. Down here says that right now it's 20 cents. So we are starting spending the money, 20 cents for the transaction. And here you can see mint transaction successfully sent, very easy to do. Moving forward to point 2, this is the Starknet ID, so we can connect ArgentX wallet, for example, create the domain name and mint the domain. So step 2, Starknet ID, go to the Twitter account at this moment, go to the app, which is the link here, of course. I just put the Twitters, the official Twitter, so you go from official links, so you don't get any confusion on that. So connect again, you can use any of these wallets. After you are connected, you can search a username. If it's available, you can click and see the details to mint this Starknet ID. And after that, you will pay with Ethereum and it's done. Very easy and intuitive. You also can go here to My Identities and you can get an NFT on this identity. This is going to cost you only the transaction. So this way, we already did another transaction here. And you can see it on the Explorer too. Moving forward to point 3, you can supply and borrow. One of the protocol is ZkLend. I did a video about ZkLend from Starknet on December, so you can check that video if you really want to go step by step on how that protocol works. But it's really easy like any other DeFi for supply and borrow money in the crypto space. Here the fees are around 30 or 40 cents per transaction, so check before paying it if you really want to get to this $2 budget for 10 transactions. So go to ZkLend, connect your wallet, turn collateral on and off, and you will be able to get the collateral there and get the transactions. So from ZkLend, go here, go to the website, launch the app, then you can connect and I will use ArgentX. And now, like I say, you can supply and borrow and start doing this. You're going to use your transactions to pay this. Be sure that the transactions are cheap at that moment. If not, you can try it after some time, but really easy to do. Moving forward, we can go to Gold to Infinite. So you can connect your wallet here, make sure to be on the mainnet, evolve and choose any cell on your field. So go to the Twitter account. From here, we go to gold2.io, click here on connect. You can use Argent or Bravos, remember. Be sure that you are here in mainnet, so you can go use Garlic, but be sure that you are in mainnet. So click there, now click on Evolve, and you need to have gold tokens in order to do this. Moving forward, point 5, you can swap. You can go to MySwap, connect your wallet and swap. Here the transactions could be from 25 cents to 40 again. Try to keep it low. Go to MySwap. Here, go to the application website. I will use Bravos here. Be sure that you are not in the testnet but in the mainnet. And now that you are in the mainnet, you can do transactions and do swaps. So you have all the different tokens that you can swap. Ethereum for USDT or whatever you want. You can also get into a pool if you want. But doing this, you also are going to get these transactions for this video. And finally, step 6, deploy a contract on Starknet. I here have a video that I did not long ago. This is a Starknet airdrop video for tips for a big airdrop. Here I posted some Dune charts that you can check how to buy and sell NFTs on Starknet also. And here the step 3 and 4 are 2 great articles and 1 tutorial to deploy a contract on Starknet. It's not super easy, you may need some code knowledge or be super enthusiastic on doing the deploy of the contract, but here you have many things to do for tips for a big airdrop on Starknet. So guys, those are 10 transactions for $2 video. Shout out to OX Chain Mine. I take this idea from a tweet that he did. This is a great idea for a video, directly to the point, using a couple of protocols. So doing this and just keeping your wallet alive, you are going to be ready for the next airdrop from Starknet that will probably be at the beginning of the next year on Q1. Before we leave, guys, remember to go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. It's the second link on the description. The first link on the description is going to send you to my website with the post of all this information. The second link is to this page where you can read everything about my private Discord and my application. Was created to help you to apply to my airdrops and your custom airdrops from another sources in a very organized and easy way. Right now we are almost ready to do changes on the app, updates that will help you a lot too. That is all for this video, guys. Starknet, a very big important airdrop right now, easily to apply on this video tutorial step by step. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.